You got the video going?
Yep.
Look at that mama.
Oh,
yeah, Lil.
I just got
Good
this
job,
one.
buddy. Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think, Lil?
I love it. It's so big.
Yeah, let's get his get out of his mouth.
Oh, should we
get a
end
measurement.
this video now?
Yeah. All right, Lily. What are we doing today? What are we doing today?
Catching hot slabs.
Catching big slabs? Like this one?
Yeah.
Nice. Well, we definitely found the school first thing after setting up. Lily's on the board with 3 already. Get him, Lil. Get him. Yeah. Oh, decent.
It's a fish at you.
Yeah, there's a fish at me right now. He's thinking about it. Hasn't committed. I know, I'll drop it down to the bottom. See if they'll eat it out of the bottom. There we go.
Oh, Daddy got a big
This is a good
one.
one. This feels good. Yep, that's a good one. Woo-hoo. Keep that sucker.
It's a keeper.
Yep.
Do I end it now?
Sure.
Okay.
All right, Lil. Everybody's been dying to know about your fishing dream that you had the other day when you were sleeping on the ice when Daddy caught the big sturgeon. Let the viewers know.
Outside of the tent, there were trees, and then there were like those like property orange lines, and our daddy went outside, and then me and Trinity caught a big fish.
What kind of fish?
I don't know.
You don't know? Is
Like
that it?
A 19-incher.
A 19-incher like you caught it at the other spot, which is actually going to be in this video we're filming right now. The second video I'm putting out of you, that's going to be in it.
It is?
Yeah. Your 19-incher.
I had a dream that me and Trinity caught it.
That's cool.
And you were outside of the tent.
And you guys did it by yourselves? Oh, it like how you guys did that the one time I left to go pick up Mommy? And you guys caught the fish by yourselves, and I came back and you guys had a walleye up on the ice?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
It's like that.
I understand now. All right. Thanks, guys.